Hello, and thanks for tuning back into Chicanic. Now, full disclosure, this is not a repair tutorial. I will be going back to regularly scheduled programming tomorrow, but today I wanted to take you on a little adventure with me because I am super excited. Today I get to go see my friend who has been an inspiration to me and hundreds of thousands of other people. She is the main reason that I have a Chicanic channel at all. So I live in Arkansas, and if there is one thing you know about Arkansans is we do not like cold weather. Well, a few winters ago, I was sitting at home watching YouTube videos, hibernating in the house, and I came across this tiny little thumbnail of a beautiful smile in a majestic garden. That is when I found Roots and Refuge Farm. Now, don't get me wrong, I am a Chicanic and I am not a gardener, or at least I wasn't a gardener until I started watching these videos. In fact, my husband would make fun of me and nicknamed me the plant assassin because everything I brought home, I killed. So in some of her videos, she would tell about how you can just start your own YouTube channel, just pick up your phone and do it. That's just what I did. I did not know how to teach gardening because I was not a gardener, but I did know how to be a mechanic. And I thought I could share my experiences with you and hopefully help some people out. So I picked up my phone and I made one 57-second video at work one day. So at the end of 2019, the beginning of 2020, I made a few more videos. Got motivated. I was gung-ho. I was going to do it. On January 11th, 2020, my bedroom got struck by lightning. So dealing with all of that, and then COVID hit, we were slammed at the shop, everybody was staying home, and they were working on their yards, breaking their equipment a lot more. We had tons of equipment in. I just didn't have time to make videos. Then, this May of 2021, I click on my Chicanic YouTube channel, and lo and behold, one of my videos is taking off. So here we are, 2 months later, 28,000 more subscribers and 1.8 million views. And I owe every bit of it to Jess from Roots and Refuge. Not to mention going from being a plant assassin to having a 40 by 50 garden space of raised beds and arch trellises.
What's up, famous YouTubers?
Right. Oh, girl! Oh, this is
Really?
And this should be like school curriculum for extracurricular class in school.
Your garden feels like a little gold star to you because I remember like the very beginning of it, and so it's like now you're just like rocking the garden, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
Well, let me know when you haven't done talking vegetables because my zero turn still works.
Yeah, that's the guy I talked to. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, Jess and Maya. I cannot wait to see what you build in South Carolina. It is going to be amazing because you're doing it. So I bid you farewell, but until we meet again.